Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades. Typically, a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and a 16-inch blade for the passenger side are needed. Carefully lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright service position. To protect your windshield, place a thick towel or a piece of cardboard on the glass beneath the wiper arms. This prevents accidental damage if an arm springs back. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button that needs to be pressed. While holding this tab, slide the old wiper blade downwards, away from the hook on the wiper arm. Once it's free, carefully guide it off. Remember to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. To complete the process, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. This allows you to check that the new blades are working correctly and clearing the glass effectively without streaking. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear, like cracks or tears, to ensure optimal visibility in all weather conditions. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.